Mm-hmm. She passed away this year. Early this year. February. After I came back from vacation. So spicy now. I think I put too much hot sauce. Mm-hmm. It's very painful. I went for vacation December for Christmas. Then I come back to Dubai February 1st. She got sick February 15. She dies February 17. So it was too close. At least that's the very first time I go for vacation for 38 days. I never stayed long in Philippines. But last year, oh no, this year, I decided to stay longer in Philippines. Nobody knows that something will happen. That's why if you have your siblings, all you can do is just to give love. Otherwise, when they're gone, you're gonna miss them.